In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 27 of exercise 1.1. And question we have 3x plus 4 plus 1 minus 4x, which is equal to x negative 27 minus 2 into x minus 16. Right? So here 3x will remains the same, positive 4. In front of this parenthesis we have positive sign. It means we have to write down as it is. No sign will change because this is positive. Here right hand side x minus 27. Here we have negative 2. So we have to multiply with negative 2. It will be negative 2x plus 32. So this is 3x with a positive sign, and this is negative 4x. This x is here on the right hand side. We will take the transpose. It will be negative, and this is positive 2x. So on the right hand side we have negative 27 left plus 32, and these two constants, we will take the transpose of these two constants. It will be positive 4 and negative 4 and negative 1. So see, these two are positive. 3x, okay, I will write down one more step. We will bring all the positive together and negative. This is negative 27, negative 4, negative 1 plus 32. So it will be positive 5x, and this is negative 5x, and this is negative 32. This is positive 32. Again see, this is positive, negative, 0 is equal to again 0. This is for all real values and it is not linear, right? So I hope the question is clear. If anything is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.